March 1st, 2013. Good morning.
I might be slow when in winter time is where it's the way to go.
Hi.
I say the little blue trucks.
Mm-hmm.
Look. And then Lou broke his pride, and he gave a cough and his engine died. He was stuck right there in the mirror inside. Beep, said Lou. Would you like a ride? I say, Lou Blue Truck.
Mm-hmm. Got this book for your birthday, January 26th. 3 years old, listening better than I ever thought you could listen.
The door shout when the door shout opened and the mayor stepped out. I say this Lou Blue Truck.
He has been reading this entire book out loud, reciting it, I guess, better than when I walked in.
So follow, folks. Follow Blue.
And now you're just skipping parts all over. Oh well.
The double-decker bus says, I'll go last.
From Little Blue Truck leads the way. You're skipping stuff. I'm going to leave the room so you can read it again. Bye.
Watching the big train. There's something
Good lettuce. Bye, baby. We love you.